Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about layers, how they work, what all these little icons mean, and how to control them. Let's get started. So, in After Effects, everything you animate lives on your layer. Your footage, text, shapes, adjustment layers, everything. Unlike Premiere Pro, which stacks clips on a timeline, After Effects uses layers inside compositions that are built for animation and effects. Each layer can have its own motion, effects, and keyframes. On the left side of the layer panel, you'll see a few icons. The eye icon, which toggles visibility. Click it to hide or show the layer. The solo icon, which is the little dot. This isolates that layer, so only it's visible when previewing. And the lock icon, which prevents you from accidentally moving or editing that layer. These are super useful for keeping your projects organized. Next to the lock icon, there's a little arrow. Click it to reveal all the transform properties, like the anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. The main controls for animation. I won't go into detail on these transform options because I have a whole video dedicated just to that. This is also where you see any effect you've added, and where you can set keyframes to make things move or change over time. Further to the right, there's a row of small icons. Here is what they do. The shy icon, which looks like a little face, hides layers from view in the timeline when you toggle the shy switch on top. This is great for keeping things tidy. Quality and sampling. The diagonal line icon. This controls how detailed the layer is during playback. Usually leave it on full. Motion blur. Adds realistic blur to moving layers. Just make sure it's enabled for both the layers and in the composition. Adjustment layer means that layer affects all layers below it, perfect for color grading or global effects. But I won't go into too much detail on adjustment layers in this video, I have a whole video dedicated just to them. Then we have 3D layer, the cube icon. This lets you move and rotate that layer in 3D space. And then we have parent and link, lets you link layers together, so when you move one, the others follow. This is super handy for things like characters or grouped objects. You can drag layers up or down to change their stacking order, whatever's on top shows in front. You can duplicate a layer with Ctrl D on PC or Command D on Mac. You can delete the layer using backspace, you can select multiple layers while holding shift, and copy and paste layers like normal by using Ctrl C, Ctrl V, or on Mac, Command C and Command V. And you can trim them shorter or longer by dragging their ends in the timeline. Layers in After Effects work differently than other editors like Premiere or CapCut. Here, each layer is tied to a single asset or object, and you can animate inside compositions. It's all about motion and effects, not cutting clips together. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.